So we have been talking about the Galaxy A90 for some days now. It will launch on 10th of April and this will be the first phone to admire a full screen design. There will be no notch or hole. Instead, it will be using a motorized camera setup to achieve such a good look. The device got leaked through this official website, which has been taken down since then, but it do confirms the presence of Galaxy A90 and that infinity look. Let me tell you that it features a 6.73 inches of display, which is even bigger than the Galaxy Note 10. The next interesting side of this phone is that it features super thin bezels, even thinner than the iPhone 10. On leak says the side and top bezels would be only 1.2mm thick, while the chin sits around 3.6mm. For comparison, the iPhone XS Max has a 4mm thin bezel, and also the Mate 20 Pro comes in at 2mm. So that sounds impressive. Considering the pricing of Galaxy A90, that should be between $500 to $700. Samsung is going into the right direction as all their theoretical stuff takes A90 to the top spot because of the highest screen to body ratio. It also supports 25W fast charging, which is similar to the Galaxy S10 Plus 5G variant, and in some days the Galaxy S10 too. With a 3700 mAh battery, the Galaxy A90 should be able to give you a full day juice just because of a bigger display. Now, the most important side of the Galaxy A90 is its camera. And for those who don't know, it's a single camera that operates both at front and rear. This is obviously because of the design, and it's good for you as rear cameras are always better than the front camera. And with A90, you get a 48 megapixel primary lens and a TOF sensor that is a kind of secondary lens for the setup, and of course there's a LED flash. This implementation will give you quality shots as the 48 megapixel sensor will combine large number of pixels to develop a lower megapixel quality picture. Also, the TOF sensor will help you in getting portrait shots as it recognizes depth, and based on that, it take action. You should be knowing about the S10 Plus 5G variant that comes with a similar sensor. That said, there's a lot of information to be revealed in a couple of days, and for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.